How to delete messages in the Emo app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Emo and you are trying to remove a message you sent or received, don't worry. Deleting message is simple once you know where to tap. First things first, open the Emo application on your device and open up one of the chat where your message is. Now, from the chat thread page, go ahead and select and press and hold the message you want to delete. It can be a text message or any files, videos or photo that you've sent. Press and hold to the message and then go to the upper right corner. You'll see a little trash icon. Tap on that and choose whether you'd like to delete the message for yourself only or for everyone in the chat. To delete it for you, tap on Delete for Me. If you want to delete it for every participant, tap on Delete for Everyone. And now, the selected conversation will be deleted. This will remove the selected chat history from your chat thread. Now you know how to clean up your chats like a pro. Whether it is one message or everything, Emo gives you full control over your conversation. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.